Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to restrict someone on Instagram without blocking them. So guys, when you restrict someone, it sets up a visible boundary around your profile. To them, everything looks completely normal. They can still see your grid posts and your stories. But here's the actual magic. If they leave a comment on your photo, that text is only visible to them and you. Nobody else on the internet can see it. On top of that, their direct messages are automatically diverted away from your main inbox and pushed into your hidden message requests folder. They will never be able to see your green active status or if you've opened and read their texts. So the most direct way is straight from their profile page. So let us just search for some kind of account, for example, ID, tap the three dots right over here, and select restrict from the top. So if they just left a frustrating comment or something, you don't have to visit their page. On an iPhone, you just swipe left on the comment, or on Android, you hold it and then tap the exclamation mark icon and then press restrict. That is it. Enjoy. If this helped, subscribe.